Bro! No! No! Ah! No! 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 Yeah! No! Yeah! No! Hello? I have an order for Rosa.
It's right there.
Come let me quick. Let me verify the order real quick.
Have a good day.
Order for Rosa taking everybody, okay? See you guys in a minute now. Let's go, baby. Woo! Yay! Slide by feet. $633. Hello?
Hello?
Is this Rosa?
Yes.
This is a meal for Rosa coming from the Yellow Ranger. Here you go, brother. I don't see no Rosa. Where's Rosa? Are you taking Rosa's meal?
Yeah.
Where's Rosa?
She's at work.
Meal secured?
Yep.
Secured. If Rosa doesn't get on me, I'm gonna be back here. 633.
All right.
How was that?
That was sharp.
Oh, sharp. Sharp. That was sharp. Chow, was that sharp? You guys, was that sharp? Was that sharp? Was that sharp? You guys, was that sharp? Sharp. Sharp. You guys, was that good? Was that good? Was that good? Was that good? Oh my God. Yes. Why is Dabo's chopped cheese, bro? Why is Dabo calling me, bro? Dabo, what is your chopped cheese ass calling me for?
Okay, I'm live right now. I want to show you something, okay?
Let me see something, bro. Bro, I swear to God, nigga, how do you go from a -1 to a -1005? You are so fucking 1006. Actually, let me add one more. Nigga, you are so bro, you look like a fucking goblin. Why the fuck would you do this to yourself? Guy, like, oh my God, this shit pains me.
That one looks like Dudo.
That is it pains me. Get Dabo.
Wait.
Dabo, you're my guy. You know what? No, wait. You know what is paining me the most? That was the fact that you're Nigerian and you're this ugly guy. You're not representing us well, guy. Like, I want to cry.
Yeah, see what Double looks like.
Nigga, you have balls on your fucking throat. Nigga, you have balls. You have balls on your fucking throat. You have balls on your fucking throat, nigga. You have my balls on your fucking throat. Fucking.
Damn.
That boy is the first nigga to ever get money and
Guy, Bruce, on everything. Guy, I saw this is what this guy looks like.
money can't save that. Let me,
Do you know Dudo shoe?
let me see.
Down, lucky. Where's Messi? I can't see.
I get my food, bro. Bro, are you good, bro? Bro, what the fuck? Bro.
No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No.
Calm down now.
Bro, I swear I'm reporting this police, bro.
What's going on?
Let me take a picture of your face. Come on.
Yo, Cho, what's going on? Yo, bro, what are you doing?
Sorry.
I'm reporting this police. What the fuck? Where's the fuck? Bro! Where do you think I'm fucking playing? What the fuck is your problem, bro? Are you eating my fucking food in my face?
Bro,
where are you fucking stupid?
Bro,
You too! God, what the? I want to put in that fucking suit. No, bro. What? Why? What's why? Fuck is your problem, bro? I'm not fucking dumbass. I'm saying it's DoorDash. What the fuck? Can I get my money back? I'm getting my fucking money back. I don't want to fuck you that do. Like, I don't know if you guys think this is a fucking joke or something, bro. That's my fucking money now. And that fucking idiot is over there too. Why are you looking like a fucking dumbass? Keep pointing, you fucking dumbass. Guy, what the fuck? Bro. Nope. Bro, like, what the actual fuck?
That's what I'm not eating, bro. I'm sorry.
How the fuck is that my problem?
Bro, I'm sorry, guys. It seems that this thing was not meant to be like this, bro.
Get my fucking food. You know this is not meant to be like this. What the fuck is my food? And you like came here in a Power Ranger suit.
You're Nigerian.
And?
Alpha, bro. Never.
I don't fuck. I'm not your guy, bro. Which one is Alpha? This guy fucking stupid.
Babe, what's up?
Get what up, bro?
You get what's up?
Are you fucking stupid? What's up? I'm not taking my fucking food.
Whoa! Yo, what the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, that dog almost got you on it.
I need the food now. This guy from... Yeah, those guys are front,
Bro! Yo, it's a prank! Yo! It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! Bro, we have your food, bro.
That's not my food?
That's your food.
You guys would have fucking died. That should have killed, bro.
Wait,
that guy would have died.
that dog was like, it was real?
Yes!
We was going to eat him?
I was walking my dog.
Oh, like, fuck.
Yeah, he would have bite you.
That guy
Yeah,
would have fucking
yeah, he would have bit him. He would have bite him.
Calm down, come, Favor, come.